In this video, I'll show you how to make all text same size Canva. This video is really for educational purposes only. So let me say you want to add up a text on Canva. You can tap on this to add the textbooks. I'll just type in hi, how are you? So you can come and type in hey. So if you love to do this, at first you need to highlight it. Then you can be able to increase it. You can see the size is 20. Let me say 46. So what you need to just do, size is 50. So you need to highlight this one as well. Make it to be 50 as well. So with this, you can be able to achieve this option. So this is 50, this is 50. So you can see but this is small letter, this capital letter. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.